Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Irúnmalẹ, the Irúnmales, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Ascent of Death. Prayer. Adifafun bogbo Irúnmalẹ Ègún iku alasona. Ara eniyan oba iku oragun uya orun Meyi Ègún iku akaka akambe lorun. Story on this path. When the kingdom of humanity was created, alongside it was also created the kingdom of death, where Òlófin summoned the Irúnmalẹ Ègún to help Iku Alasona fulfill her divine sentence. This was because, at the moment of death, the ori of human beings would often resist leaving the body, leading to an unending struggle between the body and spirit. So the Irúnmalẹ Ègún went to the house of Irúnmalẹ to ask what could be done to fulfill the words and laws of Òlófin. Irúnmalẹ performed divination and saw this Ifa, where he instructed them to make Ibo and to call Oragun, who would be in charge of carrying it out. He, accompanied by the 16 Irúnmalẹ Ègún, knelt before Òlófin, who blessed them, and Iku Alasona gave them her ase, divine authority. With this, they set out into the world to carry out their mission. Each of the 16 has a name. They have the following powers and attributes. This one takes hold of the heels, touches the toes, dislocating the limbs, seizes the knees, grabs the thighs, reaches the kidneys, touches the hands, seizes the fingers, reaches the shoulders, reaches the throat, touches the chin, seizes the lips, touches the tongue, reaches the nose, touches the eyelashes, reaches the crown of the head, cuts the thread of existence. Oragun crosses the threshold and takes the Ami, soul of the Elida, the one created, before Òlófin. Thus was fulfilled the divine law of Òlófin concerning the Elida of the person. Note: this is symbolized in the ceremony where the 16 candles are extinguished and 16 doves are placed around the coffin when the awo is in ba, that is, alawabana,